Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man with the West Automotive Group. And today we're talking about heaters, defrosters, those creature comforts that you need for comfort and safety also when we start to get into the actual rainy season, heading, November, December, January, February, etc. here in Southern California. We're talking about how important this system is. The number one important thing is to change out your coolant on the vehicle when recommended. If you have extended life coolant at the West Automotive Group, we recommend 3 years, 50,000 miles, get it cleaned out, replace it. If you have regular ethylene glycol, 2 years, 24,000 miles, which is a regular green coolant. There's a lot of items involved in here. The heater core, which is buried deep inside your dash, which produces the actual heat. The blower motors actually blow air across it, creating the heat that comes out for your windshield or your heater itself. These will start to leak over time if the coolant's not changed out regularly. The coolant becomes very corrosive, eats up the aluminum and copper, etc. We can end up with valves leaking, the heater control valves, as far as that goes. And several of these are electronic. We can also end up with the vacuum operated ones leaking. Another thing that can reduce the actual airflow inside your system is cabin filters. So make sure and have your vehicle inspected properly when it comes to the heater and defrost.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFNB.